Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to respond to single message on this device. So first of all, you need to open messages, then pick the one that you would like to respond to, mark it and hold it for a while, and now just tap on replay. And now enter the response that you would like to send. And then smoothly send it. And as you can see, it will be done as a response to it. So as you can see here, it is under replies. So this is it. This will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.